everyone, Melissa Wick here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. It's great to be here with you. I'm coming to you from the jungles of La Fortuna in Costa Rica, and this practice is a 15-minute jungle yoga flow, whole body flow. We're going to move the body, open it up, stretch, strengthen, connect with our breath, still the mind, and receive our efforts in Savasana, deeply immersed in the sounds of the jungle. So get into something comfortable and let's get this practice started. Let's begin in tabletop position on all fours. So we're going to get right into it. So knees underneath the hips, wrists underneath the shoulders. Slight pull in of the belly. Elongate the spine. Inhale. And as you exhale, just shift your hips back to child's pose. And we'll move like this to develop the breath. Inhale, hips forward. Elongate the spine. Smooth exhale, hips go back. A few more times like this. Inhale, come forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward, try to make the breath as smooth and as even as possible. Exhale back. And one more time, inhale, come forward. Exhale, hips back. Settle here, child's pose. A few deep breaths. Let your hips sink heavy to your heels. Soften your shoulders. Come back onto all fours. Knees underneath the hips. Again, belly pulls in. Push down through the palms. Lift your right knee off of the mat a few inches and start to invite in some circles here. Just isolating the movement in the hip joint. Steady spine, steady hips. Syncing the movement with your breath. And then change direction, other way. Finishing off your last circle, extend your right leg behind you. Keep pulling the belly in, shift slightly forward. As you exhale, bend your elbows back a few inches or all the way. Keep pulling the belly in. And push the floor away, inhale. Exhale, right knee towards your nose, pull in, push the floor away. Again, inhale, right leg extends back. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, extend the arms. Exhale, knee pulls in towards the nose. Inhale, right leg extends behind. This time as you exhale, step your right foot through between the hands. Right heel under the knee. Arms sweep up, low lunge. Drop that right hip, low belly zips in, thumbs back, biceps by the ears. In breath here. As you exhale, bend your elbows, pull the right hip back, lift up and out, show your heart. Inhale, extend the arms, and exhale, half split. Right toes toward the face, softening the shoulders, elongate the spine. Breathe into your hamstring. Rebend your right knee. Arms sweep up. Breathe in. As you exhale, right forearm to right thigh, right palm up. Left arm arches up and over to the right. So we're not going back. This is a lateral. If you'd like, your right hand could come to the floor or onto a block. Chest stays open. Come back to center, both arms reach up, breathe in. Exhale, frame your right foot, tuck the left toes under, power up your back leg. A cycle of breath here. Right hips pulling back, long spine. Arms on the inside of the right leg, lift your hips up slightly, Skandasana to the left. Heels in, toes out, walk your hands to the back. Left knee bends. Legs engaged, but invite in softness here. And then bend your right knee, frame your right foot, all 10 toes face forward. Keep pulling the right hip back when you feel stable. High lunge, arms reach up. Bring your torso forward on an angle. So the legs, the torso, the arms are in one line, chin in. Eyes focused on one point. When you feel steady, step your left foot beside the right, chair pose, feet hip width distance. Pull the belly in, shoulders back. Weight in the heels. Find your breath. Extend the legs, breathe in, arms reach up. Exhale, arms by the side, Tadasana, palms face forward. Root down through the feet, kneecaps lift, chest open, crown of the head grows tall. Connect to your breath. Inhale, both arms reach up. Hips stay facing forward. Exhale, twist, left hand forward, right arm back. Keep pulling the belly in. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, twist from the navel to the left. Right arm forward, left arm back. Inhale, center, both arms reach up. As you exhale, either circle the arms or let them come through center, biceps by the ears. Strengthen the back body and the legs. Halfway lift, breathe in. As you exhale, place the hands down, step back, high plank. Heels, hips, shoulders in one line. Pull the belly in. As you exhale, lower down to your belly. You can always bring the knees down. Elbows bend towards the back of the mat. Point your toes. Fingertips wide and slightly in front of you. Elbows lift. Rolling cobras, inhale. Upper back leads. Head is last to come up. Soften the shoulders. Exhale, belly, chest, chin, forehead. Twice more, nice and smooth. Inhale. Tops of feet press down. Exhale, lower. Last one, inhale, roll up. Feel the spine. Exhale, lower down. Hands by your upper chest, tuck your toes underneath. Inhale, push up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath in through the nose. And sigh it out through the mouth. Sit bones reach up and back. Steady your breath, steady your eyes on one point. Steady the mind. Lift your heels, gently bring the knees down, back onto all fours. Pull the belly in. Lift your left knee off the ground. Start to invite in the circles. One direction. Arms stay lengthened. Steady spine, steady hips, just isolating the movement in the hip joint. Change direction. Finishing off your last circle, extend your left leg behind you, breathe in. As you exhale, shift slightly forward. Bend your elbows toward the back of the mat. Could be a couple inches or could be all the way. Inhale, extend the arms. Exhale, knee pulls in towards the nose. Pull the belly up and in. Inhale, left leg extends back. Exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale, push up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, left leg extends back. This time as you exhale, step the left foot through between the hands, arms reach up, low lunge. Drop the left hip, low belly zips up and in. Breath in. As you exhale, bend your elbows, pull the left hip back, blossom your heart open. Inhale, extend the arms. Exhale, half split. Frame your left foot, left toes toward the face. Lengthen out the spine, soften the shoulders. Breath into the hamstring. Rebend the left knee, arms sweep back up, breathe in. Exhale, left forearm to the thigh, right arm up and over, side stretch, lateral. Reach to the right fingers. Chest stays open, bow the right side. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, frame your left foot, tuck the right toes under, power up your back leg. Cycle of breath here. Long spine. Arms on the inside of the left leg, hips lift a little, Skandasana to the right, heels in, toes out. Walk your hands to the back of your mat, right knee in line with the right toes. Invite in that ease. Come back, frame your left foot, all 10 toes face forward. Prepare for high lunge. Pull the left hip back. When you're stable, arms reach up. Low belly zips in. Torso comes forward, biceps by the ears, so you're pulling the thumbs back in space. Strengthen those back muscles. When you feel steady, step your right foot beside the left, chair pose. Weight in the heels, belly pulls in, firm the outer ankles, broaden the upper back. Connect with your breath. How steady can you be? Extend your legs, breathe in, grow tall. Exhale, Tadasana. Cycle of breath. Bring your palms to touch in front of your heart space. Coming into figure 4 chair pose. A little bit of balance, opening in the hip as well. Feet hip width distance, bend your knees. Cross your right ankle, let it clear your left thigh. Right foot is flexed, sit back in your heel. Belly pulls in. Steady your eyes on one point. If you have the space, your forearms can come to your shins. Or whatever expression of figure 4 chair pose you'd like to take. Nice and easefully with grace, we come to stand. Lower your arms down. Feel the effects of the posture. And we'll move to the other side. Palms touch. Bend your knees, sit back in your heels. Focus your eyes on one point. Cross your left ankle, let it clear your right thigh, left foot is flexed. Pull the belly in, hug the right shin back. Elongate the spine. One breath at a time. With grace, we come back up to stand. Lower the feet down. Tadasana, palms down. Feel your feet rooting down into the ground as you grow tall. Stand proud. Last flow here, we'll take it down. Breathe in, arms reach up, grow tall. Exhale, slight bend in the knees. Arms can come through center, biceps by the ears, all the way down, long spine. Halfway lift, inhale. Shoulders back, belly in, chin in, long spine. Exhale, plant your palms, either step back to downward dog, or if you'd like to flow, one breath per movement. Staying present the whole way. Inhale, chaturanga or cobra. Exhale, downward facing. Lift your heels, bring your knees down. Bring your sit bones down, swing your legs forward. Seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. You can remove the flesh here if you like the sit bones to connect. Your knees can stay slightly bent if the hamstrings are a little tighter. Arms are going to reach up, breathe in. As you exhale, biceps by the ears, long, long spine, as long as you can. Don't hold the feet yet. Thumbs back in space. Breathe in. Feel the back muscles strengthen as you lift back up. And exhale, slow exhale. Long, long, long spine. Now grab the feet. You can always use a strap. Knees can be slightly bent. Before totally rounding, find length first. Inhale, long spine. Shoulders soften, chest open. Now as you exhale, fold. But try not to completely round, maintain some length here. Breathe into your belly. And then as you inhale, reach the arms forward, biceps by the ears, feel the back lift you up to stand. And exhale, lower your arms down either on your thighs or by the side. Just give yourself a moment to just feel the grounding effects of a forward fold. Slowly lower yourself down for Savasana to rest. Let yourself ground in the energies. Take up as much space as you'd like. Slide the shoulders down so the heart's open. Let your ankles roll open. If your mind is still feeling a little dispersed or you're feeling stimulated, then shift your attention or your awareness right in the navel center and the abdomen. Breathe there. And there's nothing left for you to do here. Just let yourself receive your efforts. Allow your energy, your prana, your life force to organize itself into balance and harmony and coherence as you lay here in this ultimate state of receivership. And stay here for at least a few minutes or as long as you can. And perhaps you'd like to set an intention here for the rest of your day. And allow that intention to radiate throughout your entire being. Feeling it now. Thank you for sharing your practice and for your trust. Namaste.